Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to create, drop, and use a database. First, what is a database? A database can be seen as a folder or component that comprises of other sub-components, which include tables, rows, stored procedures, and functions. Now, to create a database, we will type create. And remember, in MySQL, there is no case sensitivity. So I can decide to use uppercase or lowercase. So to create a database, we start with the command create database, then the name of your database, a unique name that you wished your database to be called, which in this case I will use web-t. Next, I will include a semicolon showing that my statement is complete and ready for execution. So let's execute. Here is a database that I just created and I've executed it and it's successful. So to see this database, you have to come to your schemas and refresh. If you refresh, you see database. This is it. So you can easily spot it in your schemas, or you can as well search it. If I should search web t, this is my database just created. Next, let's see how we can use a database. You can see that for now it's not used. Let's make use of it so we will see the difference. To make use of your database, type use, then the name of the database, which is web-t, and then a semicolon. If I should execute this, see what happened. Can you see that my database web has been highlighted, showing that currently I'm using a database called web. And then I mentioned earlier the components, the subcomponents of a database. You remember I mentioned table, views, store procedures, and functions. In each database, you always see tables, you see views, you see store procedures, functions. These are the subcomponents of a database. Let's learn the use of the next command, which is drop. So if I should say drop database, web, and then a column. See what happened. I'll execute this. Can you see what happened? Our database in our schema just disappeared. That means I've dropped it, I've deleted it. Okay, so that's the function of drop. If you drop your database, you won't see it again. So now, even if I should refresh this, our database web-t is missing. So let's create it again because we still have a lot to do with it. In my next video, we will still have to make use of web database to create our tables and to insert our data or rows. So if I should click again on create database web-t and execute, it's showing that is still existing. That means I've clicked like twice. Okay, so we drop it again. So let's create. Can you see it's successful? That means our database web has again been created. So let's refresh this and we will see our database. So this is how to create a database, use a database, and to drop a database. Another way you can use your database if you don't want to make use of the word use, you can as well right click. You can as well right click on your database and then come here, set it as a default schema. By so doing, you simply command the computer to use WebT as your database. Thanks so much for watching our video today. Please subscribe to our channel so you can always get a notification each time we upload a new video. Thanks so much. Bye bye.